Hey guys, welcome again to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the best new features for Google Suites. So let us start. So the first thing I can tell you is that recently in the last conference that Google did, they presented different programs that they were trying and testing it. So now are available to the general public. So, and also they did different changes for Gmail, and they added new features regarding styling and other stuff that are hidden inside Gmail. So let us start. So if we won't go to Gmail, we notice that the layouts are different, but the new features is in when you're creating an email. So right now you can send money through Gmail to using your Google Play balance. Also, one feature is that they added the confidential mode. So in the confidential mode, you can set email to expire and auto destroyed. Also, you can create a second code, so you can send a message with a code, so that way the other person needs to call you, so that way you can get the code. So it's a security new features. So the other feature that I can tell you, and this is very important, if you click more in the send item, let me see if I can put it like, if you press more, you can schedule an email. So you can set up a full email and schedule it to send it in different time. So this is something that is hidden from everybody, and you need to search this. So this is a very good feature if you want to have like this email to send in the morning to us different people or group. So that is another neat feature for Gmail. So my other new features are in Google Drive. So let us go to Google Drive. So the first, the different features that I'm going to show you in Google Drive, if you press new and then you press more, you have different options here. So we already know Google Form, Sheets, Google Docs, and Slides. So because of those ones are the most used features for Google Drive. One option that they added is Google Drawing. So Google Drawing is a software so that way you can draw different shapes. You can do flowchart if you're in the project management area, or you can draw different pictures similar to Paint. So this is a very neat program because it's free and it's built on your Google G Suite, or it's inside your Gmail account. So everything is free. One thing that I can tell you, one feature that I did like now with the 4th of July that I'm going to use, and it's something that that is very good for the kids, it's very interactive, is, if we go again, is the Google My Map. So the Google My Map, you can trace if you're going to do like a road trip with your kids, and you can create layers, and also you can trace where you're going, so that way you can share this map with your kids with the tablets, and they can see where they are. And this is something very interactive with the kids. So it's Google My Map. And the last thing that I can show you, the last feature, again, if you click new, click more, is the Google Jamboard. So the Google Jamboard is a productive program, so that way you can brainstorm in a meeting. So when they presented this in the conference, they presented like a very big screen similar to the Surface TV, that they can start writing in the TV and create different shapes and create like a brainstorm. But this also is compatible with the Surface Book and Surface Pro and any device that is touchscreen. So you can use your pencil, or you can draw. So it's very simple. You can create shapes. And again, this is free. And this is some ways that you can get more without spending more. So guys, if you like the content of this video, please like and share this video, and also to support the channel, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that way you don't miss any any video that I upload. Also, if you have any question, or you can find me, you can write me through this in the comment of this video, and also you can find me in my social media. Also, guys, check in the description below, because I did create a program inventory web application using Google Sheets, Google Form, and Google Form Sheets, and also Pages. So that way, with that video alone, you can save $300. So check on that out, and also check my library of videos that I have different ideas, so that way you can simplify your personal life and also your business. So thank you.